The United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization UNESCO, Federal Ministry of Education and non-governmental organizations have intensified efforts to ensure that Nigeria ranks amongst the highest literate nations in the world. They made the commitment at an expository dialogue session with stakeholders in the education sector organized by the Non-Governmental Organization for Literacy Support Services, NOGALS, in collaboration with FCT Department for Mass Education in Abuja. UNESCO's Regional Office Director for West Africa Sahel, represented by Dr. Stephen Onyekwelu, Spotlight Project Manager of UNESCO, said the organization had been working with Nigeria at the federal level through the Ministry of Education to review policies and programs that would contribute to the eradication of illiteracy.
How do we end violence against women and girls? To high-level advocacy, to government policymakers, to traditional rulers, to women organizations. They should be able to speak out, challenge issues, challenge cultures, challenge practices that are against the woman. That is what UNESCO is advocating, even the UN system is advocating under the Spotlight Initiative. We want a Nigeria where all women are free from all forms of gender-based violence. And you saw what happened, the figure tripled during the COVID-19 because they were out of school. Now, if the Nigerian government can strengthen the issue of capacity building of teachers in ICT, using ICT to deliver lessons, when crises happen like this, you don't need to bother yourself. Anywhere you are, you have access to learning. I think that is what even the Ministerial Strategic Plan advocated, which UNESCO supported.
Mr. Noah Emmanuel, National President of NOGALS, said that the dialogue with NGOs and relevant partners aimed to fast-track achievement of the Education 2030 agenda.
All partners that are here and all organizations that are here today, your presence and active involvement in this very important program have demonstrated your passion and steadfastness towards the achievement of SDGs 2030 agenda and further strengthen our collaboration as partners in the mass literacy project for Nigeria.
Executive Director of the National Commission for Mass Literacy, Adult and Non-Formal Education (NMEC), represented by the Director, Literacy and Development, John Ede, said the Commission was committed to eradicating illiteracy in the country.
At the moment, we are also implementing Rural Facilitator Scheme, which is geared towards improving the number of adults and youth that are illiterate in the country. So with that RFS, we know that we will be able to achieve at least some of the SDG goals.